Lowe's and we checked out their fruit trees, and we got a Macintosh Apple tree. And we got this tree for $11. It was clearance down, so as you can tell, it's really tall. We're gonna get this tree planted in the ground, and we're gonna show y'all what that looks like in just a second. Okay, Jason is getting the tree out of the pot. Good job there.
Thanks.
And he used post hole diggers to dig the hole. They work really good. That's what we like to use. I guess I could help you. Feel like a dog. Dig the dirt in.
Okay.
Yeah, this is called the Macintosh apple tree. I don't think I've ever had a Macintosh apple. But the reason why we got it was because it was $11 and it's an apple tree, so the other ones, they were like 22 bucks, and I was like, that's a good buy, you know, and it's an apple tree. So there's the apple tree. We're gonna have to get some water and water it, but just wanted to show y'all what that looks like. The Macintosh apple tree.
So now we got the apple, the peach,
The
dead pawpaw,
the dead pawpaw. Oh.
2 figs, strawberry patch, vegetable garden, chickens, blackberry vines, grapevines. Huh?
Trampoline.
Yeah, trampoline. Grapevines. Probably next thing will be pear.
Pear.
Probably pear. Plum maybe.
I would like to get a brown turkey fig tree.
We got figs out the wazoo.
We only got 2. Figs are amazing.
So anyway, this is the first
apple tree.
beginnings of the fruit forest, as they call them. Told y'all I'm trying to get into permaculture, so anyway, but just letting y'all see that. But appreciate y'all watching, and like and share, subscribe. Thanks.